अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। Dear respected audience, I hope you are all well. Today we learn the tajweed of Nurani Qaida. In first my video, I teach you the first chapter of Nurani Qaida. In first chapter of Nurani Qaida, I divide it into 4 parts. In first part, I teach you what is tajweed and the rules of when reciting the Holy Quran. And in second and third part, we learn the articulations. You all know that alif to ya are 30 letters, and these 30 letters have 17 articulation. And in fourth part we learn the whole chapter of Nurani Qaida. So let's start our lesson without waste our time. To start our lesson, first I request you, if you like my video, then you like and also share and also subscribe my channel. In my first part, we learn what is tajweed. Everybody know that reciting the Holy Quran with tajweed means to pronounce every letter with or its articulative qualities, such as the correct prolongation, merging, conversation, distinctness and pauses. क्या मतलब कि कुरान मजीद को तजवीज़ से पढ़ने का मतलब ये है कि इसके तमाम हरूफ को उनकी सिफ्त के साथ अदा करना और मुख्तलिफ़ क़ायदों मसलन मद की सही मिक़दार, इदगाम, इख्फ़ा, इज़हार और वफ़्क़ का ख़्याल वग़ैरह करते हुए पढ़ना। जैसे सीन, सीन, सीन इज़ अ विसल वर्ड. These letters pronounced as whistle, like seen, sword, sword, sa, tha, thal. Here we also the rules of when reciting the Holy Quran. The first rule, to be clean, and the second rules of reciting Holy Quran, to be in the state of wuzu. The third rules of the reading of Holy Quran, to sit with great respect when reading the Quran. And fourth rule, to place the Quran Sharif on a stand or something high. To place the Quran Sharif on a stand or something high. And the fifth rules of reciting the Holy Quran, to have a covering over the Quran Sharif. To have a covering over the Quran Sharif. And the sixth rule is to begin reading the Quran with ta'awwuz. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم and tasmiyah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. And the seventh rule is not to indulge in talking while reading the Quran. If one has spoken, then reciting the ta'awwuz only before restarting. The listener should have this in mind, that the word of Allah is being read. I should listen with full attention. Here we also learn the weightage of reading the Quran. The rust of the heart is removed. When we recite the Holy Quran, the rust of the heart is removed. It increases the love of Allah Ta'ala. It increases the love of Allah Ta'ala when we reading the Holy Quran. It increases nearness towards Allah Ta'ala. I hope you are all understand. Then if you all understand, again I request you, please like and share and subscribe my channel. Jazakumullahu. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.